second half. Ay, hindi pala, 14 pala sila. Start of the second half. Oh, miss kick by Kalamba.
Panalo sila, ma'am.
Even go play. Castañares to Suwan na. Bunayog pala. Oh, what a pass. Oh, what a nutmeg.
For 100 meter relay fire against number 109 ITU Boys.
Na-block nung Kalamba.
To occupy lane number 2 from Cavite Province. To occupy lane number 3 from Batangas Province.
Kite.
To occupy lane number 4 from Imus.
What a true pass.
To occupy lane number 5 from Vivian City. To occupy lane number 6 Tanakma City. To occupy lane number 7 Rizal Province. And to occupy lane number 8 Lipan City. And it's good luck.
Official result for track 100 meter dash. Snap Boys, BIT11. Rank 8, Mark Lawrence Villarreal, Cavite Province, athlete number 1022. Rank 7, from Batangas Province, athlete number 322, Rainer Escalona. Rank 6, Linan City, athlete number 521, Emmanuel Dejan. Rank 5, Laguna Province, athlete number 522, Angelo Lesis. Rank 4, San Pablo City, athlete number 201, Jeff Matthew Avellana. Bronze medalist, Rizal Province, athlete number 191, Bobby Ryan Ramirez. Silver medalist, San Pablo City, athlete number 2023, Jean Aldrin Idanes. And the gold medalist, Calabas City, athlete number 82, Kyle Macy Lopez.
Lahat na ng players ng Kalamba ay nandun sa loob. Pakite. Hold. Alam mo na, naririnig yun, no? Oh, it's a breakaway.
Nope.
Presenting the official result for event number 43, 3,000 meter run, secondary girls final. 8th run, Cabuyao City with athlete number 651, Indolos Rodelin Temain. Rank 7th, Ibu City, athlete number 1445, Destiny E. Blanchard. Rank 6th, Cavite Province, athlete number 1050, Stephanie Nicole Cerezo. Rank 5, Calamba City, athlete number 849, Kate Alessandra Matlo. Rank 4th, Batangas Province, athlete number 358, Princess Nicole B. Salmuri. Bronze medalist, Rivuzano Province, with athlete number 1945.
Pakite with the second goal of the day.
1447,
4-0.
And our gold medalist, Batangas Province, athlete number 359, Kathleen P. Salva. Congratulations.
Kung paano ang basketball NCAA ganun din ang nangyayari sa football, tinatambakan ng San Beda ang Letran. Gusto ko lang sabihin talaga. Finally, the referee gave a foul. Omitade, what a pass. Sayang. Wala lang receiver. Acevedo. Ayaw. Omitade, Pakite. What a speed by Pakite. Another score by Pakite. Pax Pakite with a hat trick today. What a goal.
Presenting to you the official result for track. Event number 44, 3,000 meters, secondary boys final. Rock 8, Batangas Province, athlete number 330, Angelo Gasputi Tegana. Rock 7, General Pica City, athlete number 1227, Joko B. Borromeo. Rock 6, Batangas Province, athlete number 328, John Angelo Chavez Benitez. Rock 5th, San Pablo City, athlete number 2034, Michael Ismael Divina. Rock 4th, Dasmariñas City, athlete number 1234, Denmark Laka.
Omitade with the counter.
Bronze medalist,
Beautiful
San
pass.
Pablo City, athlete number 2031, Jane Casina. Silver medalist, Lucena City, athlete number 1729,
See some bench action now.
Jay Moreno. Your gold medalist, Batangas City, athlete number 429,
Some bench actions for
Lex
Rizal.
Castillo.
I
Congratulations!
think Coach Easy is comfortable enough not to
Ladies and gentlemen,
give
you
some
are also watching the second
experience
half of the football match for
bench
secondary
and
boys
also to
between the Skylars of
give
Rizal
the much
and
needed rest to
Calamba
his
City.
starters. Castañares. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, our official result for track 100 meter dash. PI-12 Snap Boys. Round 8, Bryden Flores, Laguna Province. Round 7, Calabas City, athlete number 723, Iro Amanda. Round 6, Cavite City, athlete number 1122, Audrey J. Shan Hemor. Round 5, Calabas City, athlete number 821, Ronald Gomella. Round 4, Rizal Province, athlete number 1922, Cyril John Dolores. Bronze medalist, Santa Rosa City, athlete number 2222,
Oh!
RJ Johnson Mina.
What a save by the
Silver medalist, Calabas City, athlete number 721, Adulacion Lee Jr. And the gold medalist, Quezon Province, athlete number 1823, Prince Adam Trevilius. Congratulations!
Substitution. Now for Rizal. Let me see. And also for Calamba pala.
Official and final result for 100 meter dash.
Kay Cabao, Makite. Ah, hindi pala ikaw ang papalitan. Hindi pala ikaw.
Matthew Joshua Arahan.
Birthday mo daw, wag ka muna.
Tanawan City, athlete
Ah, hindi.
number
Ano muna sila.
Albert Patrimonio Jr.
Corner kick daw muna, sabi ni
Lucena
Ren.
City, athlete number 1721, Rohel Christopher Pastoral. Round 5, Quezon Province, athlete number 1821,
William in
Kevin
the corner.
Huerta. Round 4, Quezon Province, athlete number 1822,
Castañares.
Sherwin Inoue. Bronze
Emilio.
medalist, Santa Rosa City, athlete number 2221, John
What a
Lorenzo.
goal by Trillo.
Silver medalist, Calabas City,
6-0 now.
Luigi Lestiges. And the gold medalist, Santa Rosa City, athlete number 50,
So take a bow now. Trillo and what's his number 90? Rosal yata siya. Oo. And Omitade, Eddie Omitade. Coming in is Lester Camarista. Sino na number 12? And si Herena, number 11 from Cainta.
Representing our finalists for event number 110. 4x100 meter relay finals, IT Junior Girls. Occupy lane number 2 from Cavite Province. Occupy lane number 3 from Antipolo City. Occupy lane number 4 from the city of Dasmariñas. Occupy lane number 5 from Batangas Province. Occupy lane number 6 from the city of Carmona. Occupy lane number 7 from the city of Lagos. Once again, our finalists are lane number 110.
Another attack now. Number 12. Kakapasok lang. Oh, offside. Malamig pa si ano. Si Herena. Herena
City of San Pablo. Occupy lane number 3 from the province of Rizal. Occupy lane number 4 from the city of Tanawan. Occupy lane number 5 from the province of Laguna. Occupy lane number 6 from the city of Rifao.
for the highlights yan. Esther with a through pass to birthday boy Pakite. Pang-apat ba to? Oh, sayang. Oh, the keeper needs to work on his body. You can't play on this level na ganyan ng body. say that. Yan yung totoo. Lebronista ka pa. Medyo ka lang. Wala naman nanonood na Lebronista dito. Oh! Wow! Oh, sayang. That's a save. Good save. The keeper has good reflexes too. I don't really. Ano lang talaga, kailangan niya i-work on yung kanyang body. Kasi pag wala kang body as a keeper, yung pressure nasa taas mo parate. Hindi mo mai-stretch. Yan, pinalitan ng keeper. Another inside the box. Lester, take a shot, Lester. Wow. Sayang. Three more players are coming in for Rizal. Nag-unload na si Coach Casey ng kanyang bench. Pakite again with the may fan club dito si Elena. Sayang yun, sayang. So was si number 10, hindi ko ano yung surname niya, number 9, and Sojan Santo Luis number 20 ay pinalitan na. Castañares, Sab Castañares. Nice. Figo. Oh! Pakite being unselfish there. Sabi ni Pakite sa 1 na akong score. Gusto ko naman happy tayong lahat. Acevedo. Kudo sa defense ng San Beda this game. Not a single attempt so far from Calamba. Oh, that's a foul. Foul by Kyle. Name niya, sabi ng mga kapatid namin. Acevedo. Oh. Tamarista. What a pass. Offside.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the official result for track event number 63, 200-meter dash elementary girls. Rock 8 from San Tomas City with athlete number 2314, Basalias Lorendays M. Rock 7 from San Pablo City with athlete number 2017, and
Oh, miss one.
Rock 6 from Quezon Province with athlete number 1818, Isaga Alea Cassandra T. Rock 5 from Teraba City, athlete number 2514, Chantal R. Cabrica. Rock 4 from Dasmariñas City, athlete number 1226, Tanawan Ranish R. Our bronze medalist from General City, athlete number
that's Akolo.
1225,
Number 2,
Pinocchio
Akolo and
ACM.
Manuel.
Our silver medalist from Cavite Province, athlete number 1025, was Lucero H. And our gold medalist from Rizal Province, athlete number 1916, Candelaria Marisine S. Congratulations!
Sao. Defending by Castañares. Simpleng-simple ang buhay sa kanya. Still.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the official result for track, event number 64.
So some more bench action for San Beda. The two Macnays ng San Beda ay ipapasok na ng Coach Easy. So that's Luke Cornea and Miguel Sayo coming in for Sav Castañares, and hindi ko nakita si Nisa. So si Sav pinagpahinga na. Oh, Sayo with an attempt. Sayang. Attempt ka. Magpabili ko. anak ko kasi yun. Oo. Anak ko yun. Kaya nagpapakitang gilas siya. Kyle Herena, alam ko apelido niya. What a pass. Oh, ay sayang. Good try though by Acevedo. Winger. Good recovery. Good touch again by Sayo. And Paquites. Sayang. Okay, but that's a corner. And yari na naman. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hindi kasalanan niya yun, but it's a corner. Corner given. Oh, Paquite with his fourth goal. Maganda ang gising talaga ni Pax ngayon. 7-0 now for San Beda. Paquite naghahabol ng golden boot. Sobra ka na. Acevedo, nice one.
Yung layo ng differential, lulutuin mo ba? Kalukuhan na yun.
Eh, syempre, ganun siya katiwala sa kanyang mga starters. Yeah. It's a header. Nia. Oh, good. Give and go. Go, good and... Oy! Spin it back. That's option. Oh, sayang. 2 for Nia. Talanghal is looking at the referee. Ref, tatawag ka ba? Wala. Almost doesn't count. Oh. No foul daw. So out of bounds by Rizal.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the athlete for Maragames number 111, 4x100 meter relay, ID Junior Boys, first heat. So occupy lane number 2, Ibu City. So occupy lane number 4, Quezon Province. So occupy lane number 3, Calacas City. So occupy lane number 5, Biñan City. So occupy lane number 6, Cavite Province.
Bakit
So occupy lane
again?
number 7, Antipolo
What a
City.
speed
So
by
occupy
Max.
lane number 8, Lipas City. Good luck.
Outside na siya, ref. Hayaan na daw.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the official result for track event number 72,
Kamarista.
100 meter dash, ID Junior Snap Boys. 8 ways. Villanueva Jan Center R with a number
That's
104 from Daspan.
7-0 by Rizal.
7th place. Talon, Troy M with a number 1903.
Number 73, 800 meter run Augsburg. 8th place from Lucena City. Athlete number 1708, Baby Air Reporters. 7th place from Lipa City. Athlete number 1609, Athlete Mary Joy. 6th place from Lipa City. Athlete number 1.